Hello everyone, today is the most important video you'll watch all week. It's a must-see. Today we'll go step by step through how to restore lost crypto wallets, specifically on the Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana blockchains. All the others. Anyway, we'll see that in detail. We'll see precisely where the opportunity lies in 2026, and I'll explain step by step how it works and how you can get your first portfolios in just a few hours. Make sure to watch this video until the end. It will likely be the most important one this year. So let's get started. So practically, how does this work? First, let's begin with the initial problem. What exactly is that problem? It's that there are 140 billion, and I truly mean $140 billion in crypto that have been lost exclusively on the Bitcoin blockchain. So concretely, what does that actually mean? This means that there are individuals who have completely forgotten their seed phrase, that is to say the crucial phrase that grants them access to their digital wallet, or perhaps they've lost their physical hardware device, meaning they've misplaced their actual wallet, for instance, a Tangem or any other brand, or it could be that the owners have simply passed away. So these are the three main possibilities. And so what exactly does this imply? That means 140 billion are just lying dormant on the Bitcoin blockchain and are therefore unrecoverable. And that's only in theory. You'll see that we'll be able to recover them. It's entirely possible. So 140 billion, that makes you realize that if you were to recover, for example, small wallets of just 100,000, $200,000, for instance, that would go completely unnoticed. So what exactly is a seed phrase in practical terms? In essence, it's a sequence of either 12 or 24 words, and it's simple. If you manage to find this specific sequence of words chosen from a pool of 2048 words, then it's quite simply the jackpot. So what does this actually mean? It means that if you happen to find a wallet seed phrase, then quite simply put, you are the rightful owner. So that's as simple as it gets. That's why it's actually relatively easy to find a seed phrase. You'll see later on. I'm going to explain to you right now why this method didn't work before and why it's now completely possible. And so we'll see where the opportunity is. So concretely, what we generally did before was use brute force methods. If you followed the videos explaining how to recover a seed phrase, you've seen this kind of method. But these methods don't work for the simple reason that it's mathematically impossible. Why? Because there are billions and billions and billions of possible combinations. And if you try with 2048 words to the power of 12, so for just 12 words, we're talking about sums that are absolutely incalculable. Even with 10,000 computers running continuously, it would be absolutely impossible to find a seed phrase. And that's why this method simply cannot work. And that's why up until now, very few people have managed to use this method. Otherwise, you'd need to have absolutely phenomenal luck. So obviously, it's not profitable. However, option 2, what does it involve? It will simply consist of using a very special tool, a tool whose specific purpose is simply to recover vulnerabilities in the generation of seeds. So what exactly is this all about? It's important to understand that ever since cryptocurrencies were first created, there have always been issues, specifically applications that generated seed phrases that were very easily predictable because of calculation errors, and there have been countless such cases, and there always will be. So it's these specific vulnerabilities that we're going to exploit. And so what does that actually mean in practical terms? It means that in essence, you'll be making profits very, very quickly because you'll have a significantly higher chance of finding a valid seed phrase. For example, with the tool I'm about to show you, you should know that I've already generated several $1,000s because I managed to recover lost wallets, and that was in just a few days. That's why I'm presenting this video to you right now. I discovered this tool and I prefer to share it with you before it's no longer available. So the tool in question that I used is called Seed Hunter Pro, and there's just been a new update for it very recently. And so this particular update now grants you access to a wide array of different blockchains. Consequently, all of these specific blockchains are completely supported, and you'll be able to directly retrieve your digital wallets across the entirety of these various blockchain networks. So here you have everything explained in detail, how it works. There's extensive documentation inside. If you want to download it, all you need to do is click right here. So what does that concretely mean? What it means is that with software like this, you're going to have extremely fast servers in order to retrieve the balances. That is to say, the balance of every single wallet, and then see which ones are holding funds or not. So you'll obviously make profits much faster than with this absolutely idiotic method, since you have absolutely no chance of finding a valid wallet. And finally, you don't even need a high-performance PC, as you'll find the seeds very quickly. So it's completely anonymous at the same time as well. So that's really only advantages. And what's more, it comes with a trial version. So you just simply need to download it right here. So now that I've given you this quick rundown on how to recover lost wallets, we'll head straight to the tool and I'll show you in detail how it works. And so once you've directly downloaded the .exe archive, you'll land on this interface. This will take a moment to launch. So it always takes a few seconds for it to connect to all the servers, and then you will land on this interface. Now, this interface might look a little bit scary at the beginning, but you will see that it's really super practical. So in fact, here you already have the blockchain selection. So concretely, these are all the blockchains that I presented to you just before and which were available on GitHub. Basically, you'll be able to select all the blockchains you want the tool to work on. So generally, I really advise you to keep only these three, or even just Bitcoin or Ethereum, because that's really where you'll have the best chance of finding an opportunity, meaning of finding a valid seed phrase. So I always stick with this composition. Next, you'll see the statistics tab. So that's the number of seeds per second. Concretely, it's the speed at which your computer will be able to process each sentence. So concretely, generally, you'll be processing around 200,000 seeds per second. So that is extremely fast. And so at that speed, you will be able to very quickly find valid seeds. Next, so here you have the total tested, the number of wallets found. So that will trigger an alert in any case when you find it. And then the network. So it's very important to make sure you are connected to the internet, because otherwise it will only search your computer for any seeds you may have potentially lost. What we want to do is search for vulnerabilities across the entire blockchain. So right here, you're going to have all the information, which isn't really important. It's just for debugging. And then you'll have the console. So here, there's nothing for the moment. So we can directly click on Start. So what you'll see, if you go into the settings here, you'll have many options. You see, I have the Pro version because I've already recovered several wallets. But initially, you'll have the free version, and you'll be able to scan the Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains for free. So that won't be a problem at all. So after that, you will, however, need to pay for a license once you have found a valid wallet. That's perfectly normal because a software like this cannot be free, since you will, in any case, very quickly make your investment back. You will see. So now I'm going to launch the tool directly. So at the start, it will take a few seconds to reach optimal performance. So you see, I'm running around 300,000 seeds per second, even a little more. So these are still very good performances. So in this case, you'll simply have to wait. So here you'll find progress bars, which will simply allow us to see approximately what level you're currently at. So the first indicator simply allows you to see how deep you are in terms of exploits. Initially, these are the most well-known exploits. So generally, you won't find anything here. And the further you move towards the right, the more you'll be exploiting vulnerabilities that are not widely known and for which there are potentially a very large number of wallets. So right now, as I'm speaking to you, a wallet has already been found. So now that was extremely fast. So now you see, you can just let it run quite smoothly like this, and you can directly transfer the wallet that was found. So now you have the address indeed of the wallet that was found. So this can go really fast. So you see, it just keeps on spinning. It was found on Solana, over $1,000. So you see, this is quite exceptional. And there you have the progress bars that keep spinning. So I'll stop it now so we can see clearly all that's happening. So it's quite rare to find a wallet this quickly. Well then, indeed, if you find a wallet worth $1,000, you'll pay back the Pro license very quickly. So you've already paid it back 3 times with such an amount. So to make the withdrawal, you simply need to go to My Wallets. Right here, you'll need to provide a Solana address. So I can simply paste my Solana address directly onto this field, and then you just click on the Save Wallet button. So obviously, you can enter all the wallets that you want right here, and then you just need to click on the transfer button. So that takes a few seconds. So right away, you have the transaction hash, you have the amount, and it's as simple as that. You just have to let it run for several days, for example, and you'll make astronomical sums. So what I would advise you to do is to download the tool as quickly as you possibly can, because there's a very real chance it could be removed from the internet very soon. Now you can see that this particular version, it was only released just 3 days ago. So for the time being, it is still available. I will in any case put the link for you down in the description. So for about 3 years now, I've been trying to find wallets that have been lost. I'm trying to gather information using various different tools and so on. And this one is truly the first one that allows me to get such quick results, because it's genuinely the first to exploit real vulnerabilities, specifically concerning seed phrase generation. So this is truly exceptional to have a public tool like this. So that's all for this video. I hope I've helped you through this guide to better understand how it works, the methods to avoid and those to use, such as this tool. So I'm leaving you the link in the description or in a pinned comment, and I'll see you next time.